In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use DocuSign Notary step by step. Whether you're a commissioned notary looking to complete online notarizations, or you've been asked to set up your notary profile inside DocuSign, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll have your notary profile set up and ready to go. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can do this by heading to apps.docusign.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're logging in with the account that you want to use for notarizations. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on your profile. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this menu, select My Preferences. This is where you can manage your personal settings, account configurations, and specialized features like Notary. After clicking on My Preferences, you'll be taken to your Preferences page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel with different sections. Look for the option labeled Notary Profile and click on it. This section is specifically designed for users who want to register and manage their online notary information within DocuSign. Once you're inside the Notary Profile section, you'll see the option to register. Go ahead and click on Register. This will begin the setup process for your DocuSign Notary Profile. At this stage, DocuSign will guide you through entering your notary details. You'll typically need to provide information such as your legal name, commission details, state of commission, commission expiration date, and possibly upload supporting documentation depending on your jurisdiction. Make sure all the information you enter matches your official notary records exactly. Any mismatch could delay approval or cause issues later when conducting notarizations. Follow each prompt carefully and complete all required fields. If DocuSign asks for identity verification or additional compliance steps, complete those as instructed. This may include verifying your identity, agreeing to terms and conditions, or confirming that you meet your state's remote online notarization requirements. After submitting your registration details, DocuSign will process your request. In some cases, approval may be instant, while in others, it could take some time depending on verification requirements. Once approved, your notary profile will be active and you'll be able to begin conducting notarizations through DocuSign's platform. From there, when you prepare envelopes for signing, you'll have access to notary-specific tools and workflows designed for remote online notarization. Always make sure you follow your state's legal requirements when performing notarizations, including identity verification and record keeping. And that's it. That's exactly how to use DocuSign Notary and set up your notary profile step by step. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to click and what information to provide. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials on DocuSign and other business tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.